Hello, it's Chili Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a hopefully gorgeous pour on this lovely 60 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. Gonna throw a few different techniques in here, but I'm starting off using my lovely dark sea, and of course it'll be mixed with my Keep It Simple pouring medium. So there is videos in the drop down box below for mixing if you're new to acrylic pouring. It's hard to believe that there's people that, you know, are only just discovering the therapeutic, what should I say? What do they call it now? Oh my gosh. Art therapy. Oh my goodness, I'm really losing me marbles. Could not think of that word. The therapeutic benefit of art and how it can just really save you sometimes from some dark moments and some, you know, dark thoughts that you needn't be going through if you put your mind into something as simple as acrylic pouring. Everything is simple if you persist at it and you really want to benefit from it, or you really want to get nice results that you're happy with. So you definitely can do that with this kind of art. So starting off just my edges like this, because I'm just gonna try something that I had in mind. And whether it works or not, I have no idea. But, excuse me. Oh dear. Rightio. So I'm going to just, probably could do with it a little bit thinner. Give it a try anyway. And I'm going to pour this dusky pink that I'm probably really trying to get rid of, but I'll use it in here. Use my other little sponge brush to, you can either palette knife this in. I guess I could palette knife that middle one in. So this is an offset palette knife, which is usually used for icing cakes, I believe. Not that I'm a cake icerer. I like eating cakes. I love eating them. Not so much icing them. Rightio. So, might be crazy and not work. I can see this is going in like pits, so I'm not sure what I have put in there that has given it that kind of strange. But anyway, I'll see if I can blow that around to make a bit of a background, which I'm doing more and more often now. Instead of having a plain old background with different techniques, you can make something even more interesting. Just trying your different things out. So I might give this pink a blow around first. You know, it's this that I want the take. I'm just chatting to myself really, just, you know, mumbling on as you do. Rightio, let's give this a little blow inside. This is just my black paint mixed with Australian Floetrol. Bear with me, people, bear with me. Crazy idea time. Radio. Let's see where this goes. I'm going to cut a piece of my soft plastic file divider. See if I can get a wide enough to do a, that should be, oh, even if I have to do it twice, it doesn't matter. Just an idea that I had, I've got to see if it works. Just doing a band. That's fine. Oh, that crazy lacing and that's gorgeous. Rightio. Just play around with this a little bit. Just let's see where I can go with this. Crazy lacing, crazy lacing. Oh, where that's coming from. Okay, rightio. I'm going to just move that aside, and I guess, I'm not sure if you can see. I'm just putting a piece of my soft plastic file divider down there so I can put some colours on it to use to do some balloon kisses in there, but with that, oh maybe, no, maybe I can do it that way. That'll still be fine. I'm going to do some balloon kisses, gonna add some colour to this now. So I'm going my cool red, so I'll do some wiggles. Yes, crazy lady in the art room is giving this a crazy thought in my head. That's some more. That is, this one's actually turquoise, not the. And then I think, oh, I haven't got any more of that. Oh, dark sea. I was going to just add a bit of the dark sea. Maybe I'll just scrape, literally scraping the bottom of the barrel. I just like that lacing right there. So to keep that true, and then we'll just add some of my Berry Delicious, which is the dark red, add some phthalo blue, and add a little bit of black if you want it to go even darker, I guess. So they're all colours that complement each other. I am really hoping now that my balloon magic helps me out here. I was going to put those colours onto another surface and then transfer them on, but as you see, I've gone the opposite way to what I thought, so I just give this a go. I just wanted to make sure I keep that gorgeous lace, and look at that. But again, it's, I don't know what I have done, added a little bit of something. The only thing I can think that I added and getting these is the medium and varnish, just a tiny bit in some of the paint colours. That was actually to, you know, it makes your end artwork have a really lovely, what you call it, sheen to it. So sometimes you don't need to varnish it because it's already in the paint there. That's gorgeous. Don't actually think that that's enough kind of balloon work to, I should have maybe blown them out, just thinking out aloud, but I don't know, this has gone crazy town cells, so really has gone crazy. Yeah, does it look a little bit odd that it's just got the 3 in it? Not sure whether I need to do something different in there again. I just wanted to keep that lace showing, but I'm not sure that's going to work. It looks too small. How can I tie it in? No, I don't know if this is going to work. I'll just do a few more balloon kisses in areas just to try and make it into kind of a garland of flowers, I guess. Crazy dogs. Crazy dogs. Oh, I don't know, these ideas I have in my head, how they seem to work out in my head never is the same on the canvas, or hardly ever. I think try again. I think I'm gonna have to do more, because just having the 3 in the middle doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't pop. It's got to pop your socks. Maybe I add a little bit of this fluoro in there, might pop it. This paint's been sitting around a week. It's been covered up, but I'm not sure this is going to work either. It might be another scrape, but you can save a scraped canvas too, so just scraping the paint all into one. Rightio, let me try again. Jeez Louise, let's give it a go. Oh, I'm going to wipe that off so I don't muddy up. That keeps going real dark, so it obviously feels the need to stay exactly like that for whatever reason, so let it be, let it be. Come on, canvas. Well, I think it definitely is looking better with more of the garland look. Let's put my smaller balloon in there and give it a little bit more definition. I'm just trying to save this lacing in there because I do love that. So I don't want to go right the way through it. And I'll bring you down in a second and you can have a little squizzy. I think, I definitely think that's so much better, because it does look like it's kind of 3D-ish. Anyway, I'm going to bring you down and see what you think, and I might have to add some little dibble dabbles here and there. Not sure about this one. I mean, it's got a lot going on, and it is, yeah, it's kind of like, it's cheery, but I don't know. I'm not sure I like so much lace. I'm getting a reflection back, but I mean, there's some really nice like photo opportunities for pieces of it to be made into prints, or as everybody's doing now, putting on material or clothing or doona covers or wallpaper. There's some nice parts, but it's all a bit too busy, I'm thinking. I am going to step back and have a think about it. I may just leave it to dry. As I tell you guys, you might not love it, but somebody else might think it's absolutely wonderful, you know. So you sometimes are your worst critic. But let's see. I think I'm going to just stand back of it now and go outside in the sunshine and take a breath and see if it gives me any more inspiration, or I just leave it. That's what I'm hoping for you guys to just get some inspiration, use bits of it, and if you don't, you don't. If it's bits you like and bits you don't, that's all good. So until tomorrow, let's hope I get out in the sunshine today and it give me a bit more food for thought. Okie doke, my lovelies. Bye for now. Take care.